Assalamu alaikum kids, I hope that you all are staying healthy. Well, this is your English teacher Ms. Javeria with another interesting topic today. My dear students, today we are going to study some phrases. Phrases is a group of words that is used to make a sentence more meaningful. For example, if we talk about a simple sentence just like I was watching her, this is a simple sentence. If you want to make this sentence more meaningful or more useful, you can add a phrase here just like I was watching her outside the window or outside the room. So this is the phrase that we have added in a simple sentence to make a sentence more meaningful. Basically, a phrase does not have a verb and a subject. Now here we are continuing our unit number 6, food and drink. There on page number 27, there is an exercise given. In this exercise, there are some pictures which I have drawn on the board. You just open up your books and look at those pictures. There is a piece of something, a bar of something, a slice, a jug, a sack, a bottle, a packet and a bunch. So with the help of these pictures, today we are going to make some phrases according to these pictures. For example, the first picture here is, this is a piece of cake. So we are going to write here, the first one, a piece of cake. Let's move towards the next one, which is a bar of chocolate. Well, do you like chocolates? If you ask me, I am crazy about chocolates. Let's move towards the next picture. This is a slice of bread. Now, as you can see that in all these phrases, there is no verb and there is no subject. But there is something, some concepts are clear here. So these things are called phrases: a piece of cake, a bar of chocolate, a slice of bread, which is the next picture, a jug. What we are going to write? A jug of water. Let's move towards the next picture, which is this: bananas, a bunch of bananas. Let's move towards the next picture. This is a packet of chips, or you can also say crisp, whatever you like. The next one is the bottle. This is the bottle of what is written here, cola. So we are going to write it as a bottle of cola. Let's move towards the last picture, which is this. There are some rice inside this sack. So we are going to write a sack of rice. So my dear students, these all were the phrases which we have written according to these pictures. First, you have to watch, you have to see these pictures carefully, and then you have to make these phrases. Keep it in your mind that these things, these group of words are not sentences. These are phrases because it does not contain a subject and a verb. Now let's repeat all these phrases with me once again. A piece of cake, a bar of chocolate, a slice of bread, a jug of water, a bunch of bananas, a packet of chips or crisp, whatever you like. You can use both words because in your book, in the packet of the chips, crisp is written over there, so you can use both words, chips or crisp, whatever you like. A bottle of cola, a sack of rice. So these all things, these all group of words are called phrases. Phrases is a group of words which is used to make a sentence more meaningful. Alright kids, now move towards our next exercise, which is exercise number 3 on the same page, page number 27 of the same chapter, food and drink. In this exercise, some words are given here. We have to make these words in the different plural groups. Like the first group is no plural. Like we have to write the singulars here. We have to find out the singulars from these words. The next group is word plus s. Those words which ends with this alphabet s, and then those words which ends with es, and then those plurals that ends with ies. So these are some groups of the plural. We have to find out these plural in these words. So at first what we are looking for? We are looking for those words which have no plurals. So let's find out. The first one is, here is water. There is no s, es or ies here. So we consider this word as a no plural word. This is a singular word. So we are going to write down in this group, no plural group, water. Now let's move towards, let's find out the next word. Read with me, water. It is done. Boxes, cherries, fruit. So this fruit has no s, es or ies. So this is a singular word. We are going to write this over here, fruit. Now we have found two words, water and fruit. Now let's move forward. Bananas, countries, glasses, cakes, bunches, this rice. This word has no plural, so we are going to write this word in this no plural group. So we have found already three words here in the no plural group, which are water, fruit and rice. Now we are looking forward for those words which ends with this alphabet, with this letter S. Now let's find out those words. Boxes. Now what is the easiest way to find out the plurals for the specific groups? You have to encircle the basic singular of the same word. For example, this is boxes. Boxes. You have to encircle the main singular word, which is box. So what is left here? Es. So we will write this word in the es group. So this is the easiest trick to find out the plurals and write down in the groups. Now let's continue the work. Boxes, cherries, bananas. This banana has s in the end. C. So we are going to write this word in this group, word plus s. We are going to write bananas here. Now let's move towards the next word. Countries, glasses, cakes. Now here cake is this, and what is left? This s. So we are going to write this word also in this group, cakes. Now let's move forward. Bunches and then rice. Now we are done with two groups, the words which have no plurals and words that ends with s. Water, fruit, rice, bananas and cakes. We are done with 5 words. Now let's move towards the next group, the words which ends with es. Now let's find out the words. Boxes. Now here, as I have already shown you here, that boxes is this box and es left. So we are going to write this word in the es group, boxes. Let's find out more words of this group. Boxes, cherries, countries and this glasses. Encircle the singular one, glass. What is left? Es. Write down in the es group, glasses. Let's move forward. Cakes, we have already done this. And then bunches. What is the singular? This is bunch is the singular and es is the plural. So we are going to write in this group, bunches. Now only one group is left, which is the IES group. So the remaining ones are definitely will be put in this group, but we will mark the spellings first to make it more easier. Cherries, as you can see, IES is here, and in countries, IES is here. What we are going to do whenever a singular ends with Y, for example this cherry or country, whenever a singular ends with Y, and we have to make this a plural. So we skip this Y, and what do we have to add? This IES. This is the easiest thing to make plurals that end with Y a plural. You have to skip Y in it and you have to add IES. Now let's put these words here, cherries, and what left? Countries. Cherries and countries. Now let's repeat these words with me. No plural, water, fruit, rice. Word plus S, bananas, cakes. Word plus ES, boxes, glasses, bunches. And words plus IES, cherries and countries. My dear students, you have to do these both exercises in your grammar copy. The first one was about the phrases, and this exercise was about the plural with some different groups. I hope that you have enjoyed our today's lesson. I will catch you inshallah next week with another lesson. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.